Now,
project.
so this material for the fabric, we have to give any reflections for that.
Yes, fabric will have definitely a very diffuse kind of reflection.
See, what generally we are, this is our fabric material.
Yes.
This is our sofa material.
Okay.
But reflection, I have not given anything. Should we give any
Make
reflection
50,
to that?
make the light 50% the color, 50% gray.
50% the color. Okay.
Yes. And then
And
glossiness point 0.8. Give it glossiness point 0.8.
0.8.
Yes. That will help you in bright lightening up the texture of your fabric if you want it to be
Okay.
more lighter color or more
Okay.
darker color. So when we go for the reflection values in Photoshop,
Okay.
when we have the reflection passes,
Okay.
so this reflection will also available over there. If you not add this reflection over here,
Okay.
so there will be completely dark.
Okay.
So if you want little bit brightness on your texture, you will not be able to do that.
Correct. Correct.
To just to have a little option over there, whether I want my sofa set to be a little brighter or a little darker,
Okay.
just try to add a little bit of reflection over there.
Fine, sir. And even for the curtains also,
Yes, for all of the object, whether
all of
it's
the fabric objects, sir.
yes. Except if you have some rubber objects, there you don't need to give reflection.
Okay.
Some very rough objects, very rubber kind of objects,
Okay.
then only you can skip reflection. Other than that,
Okay.
every metal, every fabric, floor, wall, everywhere, just try to give little bit of reflection should be there.
Okay, sir. So 50% is being to say 50%.
50, this 50% give and zero point 0.8 glossiness value,
0.8 plus.
that will be enough.
Sir, here opacity for the white one. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
so this is our when I come color, then the bitmap. So this I have to give it to the opacity also bitmap, right? No, sir.
What is that? Curtain?
Curtain,
Transparent
curtain,
curtain?
curtain, sir. Curtain.
Yes. Try to give that
See,
opacity.
I have given it here, sir. It is opacity the same. The entire thing has to go to opacity, no? 70%.
Yes. Entire thing.
This is 70%. So that
Hmm.
means it will be opacity will be, it will be 70% now, and
Hmm.
this I have reduced the opacity to 30%.
Okay, fine.
The darker colors, darker shades.
Okay, fine.
So this is correct, no, sir. What I have done is correct, no?
Correct.
Right. Okay.
Right.
So we will proceed with the metals now.
Metal, we'll do with the metal now.
Okay. So metallic objects are no. One is that the TV.
Acha,
Then
have I told you about gold, silver, or brass?
oh yeah, gold. I have already applied no gold here. I
Yes,
just
we have discussed, no? Gold,
we
silver,
have
brass.
discussed. Yes, sir. Exteriors we have discussed. Here also I think.
Yeah,
And
okay.
and I've just taken one render shot also. See render. You can see the gold is coming.
Proper. Nice. Some scratches over the metal. Have you tried that?
No, that I have not tried.
Some
That is
lines, ring, or some kind of. You see, metal. Sometimes what happen, no? There's lots of scratches, lots of if the lines is comes on top of surface of the metals.
okay. That I have not tried, sir.
Okay, we will try that.
Okay.
We do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's do. Very simple. We will do with the same like composite material only, but we'll
Okay.
add something more on that.
Fine.
Okay. Wait 1 second now. Which is the file? This is review tips and tricks. Second and then third. Let me start the file. Have we discussed about the blend material?
No, sir. We are not discussed about pen material.
Okay. Today we will see blend materials also.
Okay.
Let's start with a simple. Let's take example of this plant and tree over here.
Okay.
We apply different metal for the this what you say pot over here.
Okay. And the leaves
Okay.
of the plant.
Plant will be very simple. Plant, just texture you have to apply. Little bit of shyness will be there, and that's
Okay.
okay. That will be
Okay.
fine. You don't have to give anything more to plants and all. Just texture, just apply realistic high-res texture, and that will be more than enough.
Fine.
Okay, let's see. I have selected properly. No, I think I have to open it. Okay, this has two parts. This one and this one I needed. Group. Okay, so this is my pot. Okay, this is the mud.
Okay.
This is just a pot over here. Okay,
Fine.
so let's just apply a simple. Open a new, let's say metal. We'll say a rough metal. No?
Okay.
Rough metal scratches will be there. Some rust will be there.
Okay.
Let's create some rusty effect.
Okay.
Take VD material. No, I will take this one. This will back up. So we start with the steel, scratches and all, and then
Yes,
we'll
sir.
go for some other thing.
Okay.
Let's see an example. I have downloaded few. I download lots of things, but where I saved I don't know. It will take time to find. I will just Google it out.
Fine.
Steel. We just need images. We try to create such lines. You see over here?
It's under something called radial.
Yeah, radial is there, and also the lines, the sketches over there.
Scratches. Yes.
Yes, we try to create that. Let this. You see the lines over here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That makes it's a little more realistic, no? Because when this made really in factories, it
Okay.
has such kind of no, the sketches that will come definitely.
Okay.
That makes things look more natural and quite impressive, no?
Fine.
You need this kind of texture for that.
Fine.
See, the trick is very simple. Use this as your composite,
Composite.
and we will try blend material also.
Okay.
Same trick with the help of this.
Fine.
So I have with me, but I try to download this also. I don't know whether I have the same thing or not.
Okay.
If I'm getting it, I will take it. You see this one?
Yeah.
See this one. But here the lines are more and the reflexivity is less. So
Yes.
it's not giving a good effect. Let's see two examples more. You see this one, metal, how it is?
Yeah.
Lot of patches, scratches, no?
Yes.
Just remember what we did with the fabric. Same thing we will do,
Fine.
but with a different this thing, no? Masking.
Fine, sir.
See, the main role is of your mask.
Fine, sir.
How good mask you have, proper mask, and how properly you are able to use that. You
Yes.
see this scratches and all looking on surface of the metal,
Yes, sir.
giving a more natural look.
Correct.
Alright, so this much example will be enough. Now let's get down to work.
Fine.
First, I will see what this thing. What I said? Mask, no?
Okay.
Was
You
mask
have
I
downloaded.
have.
Yes, you have downloaded that one.
Yes, I have downloaded few. As for the fabric, I have downloaded for metals also. See, metal and fabric, you have to use any project you do.
Okay.
So it's better that you create a library for metal, at least for metal and fabric.
Yes.
Sorry, where I went? CDS Max. Material texture, bump map. See, I have this metal.
Okay.
You see these lines?
Yes, sir.
This is gonna help you to create those still effect.
Okay.
See this one, vertical, horizontal.
Okay.
So these just try to download it. I also have some few. I will share with you, no problem.
Fine, sir.
See this one. This may be wall. Again, this metal, like a tin sheet.
Okay.
Some wall I have, some metals I have. Mostly these are the walls. I will say if these are the fabrics. This we use for the glasses. You see the fingerprints and all.
Yes, sir.
For glasses, if you have any glass which is very near to camera, because this fingerprint will not be visible if the object is very far from your camera,
Yes.
then you can use those kind of effect. This kind of effect, no?
Okay.
You see straight lines, metal. Generally, you try to get this straight XY zigzag line. You see over here also
Okay.
straight lines.
Yes.
Metal do have this straight line scratches. So
Okay.
we'll try to use this one.
Okay.
Where it is?
Uh,
I lost.
Sir,
I
up,
think it
first try.
scratches.
Yes.
This one.
Yes. Yes.
It's written also. Sketches for metal. What I will do, I will select few, maybe this one, and I will just save in a separate folder. Maybe I will. Acha, today I will just get released. Today's 8, no? 8 June. Roughly, just let's collect few texture. This is for the wall. We took this one. Okay, I think we start with that two texture first, and then
Okay.
we will move forward.
Fine.
First, steel. Let's get a steel, rough steel. Simply apply this, assign to selection. To create a steel, it's simple. Diffuse black.
Black. Reflection full.
Reflection almost 90-95.
90%.
Glossiness
And
will be
Fresnel
full.
reflection
And
off.
Fresnel this off.
Reflection off.
Alright, this is metal.
Okay.
Let's see if I can render this out. I think I have lighting here, and it's 1K. Okay. Array. Very much reflective. See what happened now it is reflect like a mirror of very polished surface.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to see the scratches, I have to reduce the reflectivity.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. Let me plan out how I should explain. If I will use Blender, then material reflect. Okay. Let me do a simple way. Then I will use blend material for this.
Okay.
And then we will use the composite one. So let me bring my this thing scratches map. Not here. Here it is. This one, and it's simple. I have to use this on my reflection map as my reflection map. Let's see what result I get. Right?
Yeah.
Sketches are there.
Yes.
Let's see if I can control this. No lines. Let's go to over here, bump map, reflection. Can control this. Right? it is reflecting the green cover, so it's difficult for me to see it. Let
Okay.
me do something. What I can do, I can increase the glossiness, decrease the glossiness, maybe 0.8, so that I can less see the reflection. Mm, 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 0.7. Hmm. 0.7. So I can, no lines are there. Right, let's see over here reflectivity. If I reduce it more, sometimes you have to do high-res,
Okay.
because here you see particles, you cannot see the lines proper.
Yes, sir.
If you want to see the details, you have to go to high-res to see the details properly. Don't worry about the green tint. Actually, you have the surroundings of green, that's why it's coming green.
Fine, sir.
If you have interior with the tech furniture and your floor and all, that will be reflect over here, it will not be green.
Okay.
Let's just focus on the lines, it's coming proper as my steel. See
Okay.
what problem I'm facing, I will share.
Okay.
Less of reflection, I'm getting my lines, I'm getting my scratches,
Okay.
but what problem I'm facing is less of reflection of my surroundings.
Fine.
So to cover up that, what I will generally people do, or I will do, here glossiness I have to increase, which I have given 0.7,
Okay.
maybe 0.9.
Okay.
Right, so
Okay.
outside environment is reflecting more, right?
Yes. Yes.
And here the lines are visible very less.
Yes.
Okay, it is giving a good effect. I'm getting a proper result which I was expecting.
Okay.
But with the help of blend material, I will get a much better result, what I can say, because
Okay.
from long time I have not used blend. So let's try blend material also.
Fine.
I will stop over here. Sorry, it is already stopped. See what blend material do now. Blend material blend to like apply a coat on surface of one metal.
Okay.
Like on cake, there is just a layer, and on top of that layer, I will create a sketch. What is that? Paint, no? Suppose this is a cake, okay,
Okay.
and top of this I'm getting one another layer.
Okay.
So this is a blend material,
Okay.
which is applying a level of fresh reflectivity, very high reflectivity on top of my metal object.
Okay.
So this only I will try to create over here.
Fine.
Let's start V-Ray blend material. If I double click, you will see I have one base material, alright,
Okay.
and I have multiple material which I coat. Coat means
Okay.
on top of that I'm applying a coat layer, no?
Okay.
On top of that, and I have a masking value over here.
Okay.
It has also black and white value to control
Okay.
how much the coated layer will affect your original layer,
Okay.
or you can use any masking over here.
Fine.
And if when you use masking, you can control the intensity of masking. You
Okay.
want that to be 100%, or you want masking to react only cover 50%, so that you will
Okay.
cover from 100% this by numbers from here.
Fine.
So what I will do, this one I will take. All right, I think this complete metal will go over here, I think. All right, yes, this will be my base.
Okay.
Now base will be or if there will be, what we will do, there will be no reflectivity, or we will reduce the reflectivity.
Okay.
Let's reduce to 0.5 only.
Okay.
Open preview. I think it enlarges very much. Let me see if I can see over here, and then we can see in the render also.
Fine.
Right now, my blend material, we are getting lines, but there's no much reflectivity because I have reduced the glossiness. Now the light is
Fine.
spreading all over.
Fine.
All right. So now I will add one more V-Ray material over here.
Okay.
Now this will be over one coated over what my base one, no?
Okay.
Over here, coat
Okay.
one.
Okay.
1 second. See, it's applied over here.
Fine.
Now this will be very much reflective.
Okay.
Black, completely. All right. And glossiness very high, extremely,
Okay.
around 98, 90, and glossiness value 0.8. I was able to see difference when it was 1.
Okay.
Can you find out any difference?
It is more sharp, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Here you can see the lines are there, and on top of line reflection is added.
Okay.
Alright, before you see this one, reflectivity is added on top of the lines.
Okay.
If I remove this, you see,
Okay.
see, we see the lines, but there is no reflectivity, no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now I am adding my reflectivity, a new material as a coated layer on top of my metal. So,
Okay.
so where I can use this where I want to show my rays also, and I also want it to be very much reflective.
Fine.
So my base metal over this here, I don't have to worry about my reflectivity. I just want it to be lines, to be
Okay.
visible properly, no?
Fine.
So I did that, and here glossiness, even I don't, I make it 0.
Okay.
If I make it 0, wait, it's taking some time to update. Alright, it's also fine.
Okay.
Alright, no glossiness value,
Fine.
simple lines. Okay,
Okay.
now I am just adding a new material with high glossiness value as a coat. Let's see what result I get. You
Yes.
see?
It is separate. Yes.
Alright,
Yes, sir.
now I'm getting a reflective layer on top of this.
Okay.
Let's see on render what result I'm getting. I have applied this or not. Wait 1 second. Just select this just to confirm. Select this thing and then apply. No? Apply. Alright. Now we go to render and see. Actually I'm getting this one top one result more. So what I will do, I will make it 0.5 less reflective.
Okay.
I'm getting, just give me 1 second. I'm getting a call. Meanwhile you try this.
Yeah, I'll try, sir.
Just give me 1 second. I will get.
No problem, sir. No problem. No problem.
Hello. हेलो, यस बोलिए। मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए। अभी तो नहीं याद आ रहा है। अच्छा, किस बारे में बात हुई थी? अच्छा 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 अच्छा। जी हाँ जी हाँ, लूमियन भी कराता है। कोई सा भी वर्जन आप सीख लो। अभी मेरे पास जो है वो लूमियन 10 है, 10.1 है। हाँ लूमियन में बेसिक से लेके इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर एनिमेशन वॉक थ्रू सारा कुछ आ जाएगा आपका। आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे हाई भेजो ना, मैं आपको सारी डिटेल भेज देता हूँ। ठीक है चलो, मुझे आधे घंटे टाइम दे दो, मैं 7-10 तक आपको रिप्लाई करता हूँ ना, मैं क्लास में हूँ। आप मुझे बस हाई लिख के भेज दो, अपना नाम लिख दो और लूमियन लिख देना, लूमियन डिटेल्स चाहिए आपको बोल के, मैं आपको 7-10 7-15 तक आपको रिप्लाई करता हूँ। ओके ओके चलो। Person, I'm going to WhatsApp you this bump maps, okay?
Okay.
As of now,
This is the bump. What I'm having, I'll just
yes,
can
yes,
see
yes,
this one.
yes, yes, yes. Perfect, perfect,
This,
perfect.
this is the one. Okay.
I think you have the other one also.
I'm just checking that. Sir.
Just
No?
check. You will have, because I have shared some images. This file only.
Okay.
The
You
file
can-
which we are working.
Okay.
Just see the second layer, the second one.
This one.
No. Close it. Go to second layer. Yes,
Second
yes,
layer, second
yes,
one.
yes, yes, yes.
This one.
Just zoom. This yes, yes, perfect, perfect. This one only.
Right. Right.
This one only.
Okay.
We will,
Sir. I think I have it. This
yes,
also
yes,
I have it. This also I
yes,
have.
yes, yes, yes. Perfect, perfect. All right.
Right. Okay.
Yes, yes. Try that. Try that.
Okay. I'm just trying that. Wanted to try with the blend material, right?
Yes, try with your blend material.
Sir, what I'm doing is correct?
Oh, 1 second. Okay. It's going to base. All right, correct. Yes, yes.
Listen. Now,
Yes.
the same I have to copy once again.
Take a blank video material.
Blank variant material.
Yes, take a blank video material.
Okay. I've taken for the quote, I have taken a blank variant material.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, for the quote, what I have to do, sir?
Yes, just drag and drop on quote 1.
Yes.
Yes. Now
This is
the
good.
new material. Yes.
Yeah.
Make it.
This I
Make
have to
it
make
metal.
it more reflective.
Yes.
So
Make
this
it a
should be
metal.
this
Black.
should be a
Yes.
black, and reflection should be close to the thing. Somewhere
Yes.
here.
All right.
Okay.
Yes. And make it a metal. Glossiness of.
Right.
Yes. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes.
This one. But where's the lines missing now, sir?
Go to the first one. Go to the base material. There.
Okay.
Double click. Double click.
Double click.
Mm,
Here.
on
So,
the
yeah.
very material. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Reflection I have given that this one. Open window.
Fresnel. Just off your Fresnel.
Okay.
Yes. Now see.
Yes.
Yes. See, that will also have a metal effect.
Yes.
Your base one will also have a metal effect. It is
Correct,
not
sir.
like that will be zero.
Correct, sir. Correct.
If you make that zero, now this the code will there will be more what you say responsibility on your code to make it metallic.
Fine, sir.
So just to make easy the responsibility of your code material, you
Okay.
make the first one also a little bit metal,
Okay.
but more focus on showing the lines
Fine, sir.
and less of reflectivity. No, the reflectivity which is less on your base one, no, that
Okay.
will be compensated by the new coat material.
New coat material. Right.
Yes,
Now.
yes, yes.
Now we can still control the white and black details in this.
Yes,
With this
yes,
map
yes, yes.
again.
Of course,
We
of
can
course.
bring the one more map and add it here,
Now,
and
yes,
control this value so that it gives more natural effect.
yes. Lots of creative things
Lots.
you can do. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can apply map. You can apply with the help of color values is there.
Okay.
In between, right now it's gray. You can
Okay.
change the current color value there, or
So
you can.
please convert it to black and white.
No, see, there you have to use a texture.
Okay.
Hold on.
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Now, so for example, supposing say I am having this texture. Now I can bring this texture now.
Bring it, yes.
Yes.
But for here but here it will not be that much effective, because
It
here
will not be there.
yes, because here we are using the how we are using composite by changing the color, no?
Yes, yes.
We are using the same V-Ray settings, everything will be same, only the color will be different, and
Fine.
we are using a bit of this thing, masking.
Okay.
But here the case is we need the reflectivity plus the lines.
Yes. Both together.
Yeah, we need both. Both should blend together. It's not that one should visible, one should not visible. It's not should be like that.
Okay. Now supposing if I'm creating one more mask on that
Okay.
and the controlling value of about 50%.
Yes. You see, somewhere it will be reflective, somewhere it will be not reflective.
See here.
Yes.
This is the effect. This is the effect now.
Yes. Somewhere you see the lines, somewhere you will not see the lines.
So it's something like a rustic material.
Yes, like a very beaten metal. Somebody has beaten it very hard from all the angles, and he got some scratches all over the body.
Now understood, sir. Now understood.
Okay.
So to make it more reflective, we are taking a blend coat as an extra to make it more reflective.
More shiny.
Along with the texture, retaining the texture and
Yes,
more reflective. So this is the idea behind this. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Understood.
All right. You can try with the rust if you get any rusted metal effect.
Okay.
It's just like that. Some scratches are there, and from scratches you can see the rusted metal is coming out. Like the painted metal, the painted layer is torn off from the surface, and so the rusted one is looking the inside. You can get such kind of, but you need some that painted layer texture as well as the rusted metal texture you need. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Then you can create those.
Understood.
Alright, so this is clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear.
Blend.
Yes.
Same thing. Now we have did with the silver. Can you do with the gold?
Yes, sir. We can do the only color reflection color. We have
Color,
to change
yes. Just yellow color reflective.
Yellow color reflective color. We have to change it. Okay.
Now see your this is scene. What metal things, what metal objects are there in your scene? I also just see over here.
Yeah, I will just open that.
What metal objects will be there? You see the small table with this port is over there on the side table.
Yes, sir. This is the coffee table. We have a metal. We have chrome finish.
Yes.
This is a chrome finish. This is that gold finish we have. And the Ganesha also.
There is a yes. You
Ganesha
make
also.
Yes, Ganesha also steel.
Okay.
Try to give effect there, the scratches and all, because the person who has made this maybe use hammer and all to make the shape, no? So there will be scratches and all.
Sure.
Quite natural looking. Try to make those scratches over there, no?
Okay. And this is a gold effect, sir, with the tree.
Same gold. Yes, same gold. But everywhere try to use the scratches.
Okay.
Here I have not used, just I use simple colors.
Okay.
But I will say that you use the scratches to make it more realistic and appealing.
Okay. Including this border, sir.
Leave border because there is a small area only.
It's not visible also. So we need a bigger area for the better visibility.
The scratches should be visible properly in bigger areas.
Yes.
Like over the plant base over here, the pot over here.
Okay.
Table leg, the Ganesha statue over there.
Okay.
All those things you can apply blend material with different masking effect.
Thanks, sir.
Alright.
Okay.
Any more question about the metal?
I will try, sir. Because until I try.
Yes. Practice this.
I'll practice.
So you practice right now.
Okay.
Take the Ganesha temple otherwise.
Okay.
Because we already had touched before also.
The scene we have sent me is different. This doesn't have Ganesha. Yeah, it is something else you have sent me.
The same thing. Maybe on different angle it's looking like a Ganesha.
Oh, this is Ganesha, right?
It is this. Go to camera angle. Just press. Camera is not there.
Camera is not there.
No, from
it's okay. We'll give a metal effect for this, right?
Try it.
Actually, bottom piece, this is got different. At the upper it is different. So I have to consider these two different optics now.
Yes, 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 of course.
So this is separate, this is separate, right?
Yes, yes,
I will detach it and give.
yes.
Okay. Now I'll try to do metal for this. Okay, to the scratch.
Hmm.
I think I can apply the same material now with what I've done it.
Yes, yes. Apply same. Apply same.
Along with along with this blend and this one also. Okay.
Yes, yes. Apply same. Take lighting is not there, no?
Lighting is not this.
Okay, okay. Anyway, we can see the preview that we already have seen. Anyway, just apply and see.
It's taking time. It's applied or not?
I think it's not applied. It will come black, I think, if it is
It should
applied.
come black.
It
See,
should
this is
be.
say I have to take this one, right? No, the VA
Yes, yes,
material, blend material.
yes, yes.
Which one I have to take now?
Last one, last one. Yes, yes. Very blend
Blend
material.
material, right?
Yes, apply.
Yes. And not getting applied.
Zoom and see.
No, sir. As you said, it should be black, sir.
Maybe I'm wrong on this blend material. Let me try on my side. Let me
Yeah.
try on my side and see. I have this statue. Detach. First, I'll go for a test render. Let's see what result I'm getting over here. Okay. Then let's apply this metal. Yeah, it's coming.
It's
It's
applied.
coming.
It's coming.
Yes, yes. It will not turn black.
It's not turning black, I think.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's coming.
Fine.
I think UV. You have to do something with the UV because different shape UV is not coming properly.
Okay.
All right. So I will do some little bit changes over here. Reflectivity I have reduced. I have to make it little bit reflection to this also.
Okay.
Maybe 0.6. So that overall it should look like a metal. Right? Much
Yeah,
better,
now
no?
it's much better now.
Only thing I'm worried about the UV. Let's see.
Now the environmental effect is reduced. No, no, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
It is reduced. It is looking more like a now metal.
Yes, yes. Looking more like a metal over here. Now let's do some R&D. Let's do some R&D.
Fine.
I think give me 1 second. This person. I will just back. I will just back.
No problem. Yes, sir.
Yeah, heavily raining over here.
Okay.
So just went to close windows just open.
Fine.
Okay.
So now, see the exterior we have done it. No, I can apply the same concept for the railings. No,
Yes.
because
But
this is not looking realistic. I think I can go for the blend material here.
yes, of course, you can go.
Right.
And try to use lots of this thing, no? Try to use three shades of materials. Maybe some brown shade and silver shade, and try to show that some scratches are there, and inside the original brown shade or some rusted shade is little bit appearing.
Okay.
It will give much more realistic effect.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Yes. Alright, so here I am done. I just have to use my another mask over here, which is this. Just double click. Now let's try without this mask. Let me show you with the help of color how I can color take control with the color.
You show me, sir. Correct.
Just I will select half so that we can have a comparison before and after. Okay, over here double click. So this is my blend material. You see, if I click the center, by default it will have a center. It will be on my center.
It will be neutral.
Let me start my render, interactive render. Alright. So by default it will center. So what happens if I drag it toward my black color?
It will be much less reflective.
Yes. Less reflective, more lines is visible. What happens if I drag it to white color?
Okay. It is more reflective. Different. The lines are less visible.
Lines are less visible, but giving a very nice kind of metallic. See?
Correct.
Looking more nice. We can use this metal somewhere. and so you can control like this. Now how much lines will be visible, how much reflectivity will be visible with the help of this the shade over here.
Fine.
Alright, I will cancel this. Now map, I don't have any map, so this value will not work over here.
Okay.
Alright, I need to have map.
Okay.
Alright, so let's add this one, map instance. Alright, very patchy metal. Alright,
you can control that now.
Now with the help of this, let's say 50%. Alright, patch is little less. Let me reduce it more, 50% to 20%. Very less visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Very less visible. See, nice scratches I am getting.
Okay.
Over here you can see.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me do a high-res render, because what happened now, you see this more pixels will be visible, so the details, the scratches is difficult to see, no? So if you are doing such a high detail work, I will recommend you to take this thing high-res render even.
Okay.
Also whenever possible, take high-res render to see those these details, no? Very small details.
Fine.
Over here I am getting it proper. Here also
and we are taking the render in 3K, definitely it will get highlighted.
Oh, yes. This is
small details get highlighted.
Yeah, this is just 1K render.
Yes.
Then also it's coming proper.
Yes.
It look like a metal, no? Like real world metal.
To understand is more than enough.
Yes. Like a real world metal it is.
Yes.
Still it's not very clear, but it's okay. No problem. Okay. If you take a high res,
definitely it will be
this file. Yes. It will be. It look more natural. So the concept is clear over here, I think.
Yes, it's clear, sir. The environmental effect is less on that object now.
Yes. The environment is less visible over here.
Less visible, and it's looking like a more natural material.
Non-natural. Yes.
Fine, sir.
Try these, and also try composite. Composite will also give you very nice effect.
Okay.
Composite. Same step, same process. Just start over here, get one or two layer, whichever you like it. Try to download some metal texture itself, brown
Okay.
metal or steel metal, or if you have created such effect, try to get this one. Let me see if I can get this here as my one of my layers. No, it's not coming.
It's not taking.
No, 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 no. Blend material is not taking. Actually, this will go to your blend material. You know, this can go to your blend material. Wait, let me
Okay.
try. If I this use as a coat, no, 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 no. It's not working. No. Anyway, both are okay. If you want to use blend, then also okay. Okay. If you want to use composite, then also it's okay.
Yeah, they've been using composite for some time. Blend, thing I can. I'll try for blend for now.
Yeah, because this is both steps you have known. If you can use for metal blend, if you want for fabric composite, it's
Okay.
okay. It depend upon you.
For fabric, this is better. Composite is better.
Yes,
Metal blend is better
yes,
because we will not be
yes,
using much of maps there. We need only one map, and we need one variant material for reflection. That's it.
yes, yes, yes. This is enough. This is more than enough
This is more
effect.
than enough.
If
Yes.
you get getting,
Yes. Yes.
and only you have to if you want to make it like brass or gold, just you have to change the reflective color over here.
See, in exteriors, I was wondering why the material is not looking like a material. Metal was not looking like a
Metal.
metal. This is because of the reflection, which controlled by the environment now.
Yes, yes.
Now I can control that now.
Yeah, what happened now? By default, we what we do, just go to variant material and off the Fresnel, and we
Uh,
are done.
yes.
If you want to control, just glossiness value we control.
Yes, that's all.
Yeah, but here with the help of blend, we can take this another level
Okay.
altogether.
Correct.
All right. So, any doubt, any query, anything that you need to ask?
No, sir. I think now I can manage with the materials now.
Yes,
Metals
yes,
now.
yes. Try to complete all the metal,
Okay.
whatever material is there.
Okay.
And let's see the scene over here. What else is left? Because major things we have already completed, no?
Uh,
Tell
Sofa
me.
fabric is done, curtain is done, flooring is done, and we have left with the TV
TV is simple, glow, light, very light material.
and apply the
And
image on that, and the black
yes,
material we have to apply that.
yes. And here TV unit. One second. No, TV unit is simple. Group close. Here it's a tile effect. This one is it has a tile effect. If you see on image, na.
Yeah, that I have already applied on machine, sir.
Yeah, simple tile effect you have to apply over here. And this one I
Uh,
am not getting what I have applied. But just simple reflectivity will be more than enough.
yeah, I have already applied on this now. You can
Yes, 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 yes. I can see. Yes,
it's a
perfect.
different. It's the same material. UV is different.
Yes, yes. UV is different. Yes,
UV is different.
perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. So I think light material is going to be our next target. Other than
Okay.
that, we have
Now
completed
focus
all.
on the spa. I have to do on small things now. So I even see you can see this fabric, sir. I just even done this fabric with a different.
Yes, yes. Yes, the box texture
Yes, with
effect.
a
The
texture,
box.
different texture because most of the time it will be white. So let's try something new. I added a different kind
Mm-hmm.
of maps.
Nice, nice. Your sofa, this cushion is coming really nice.
Yes.
Yes, now when you have zoomed, it's looking
Yes.
really nice. Try to take a close-up shot also.
Fine, sir.
Try to keep a close-up shot of only the fabric and put some metal object at the center table.
All right. I want to check with this curtain, sir. Once the camera is set and the lighting is done, I
Yes,
want to
yes.
see the opacity of this white one, how the light source coming from outside. So this I want to check.
Okay, 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 fine.
Once the lighting is done, we'll check that, sir. Otherwise, most of the materials are applied. Even for the this is covered, everything is covered. So I will start with the metal now. And this one's a green for the plant.
Plant is very simple. Let's do plants now.
Yeah, we can finish up so that I can complete all those things now.
Let's do plants now. It's simple. Just plant texture. One second. Let me isolate. Just go to folder where the textures are. I also just quickly go to my folder where I have saved my texture. uh, Ajay. Where I have saved Prasanna?
Excuse me.
Oh, no problem. Okay, I have some other students there
No
also.
problem, sir. We'll continue
I
tomorrow.
will
Okay.
they will there from there. It's okay. It's okay. We can do it now also. No problem. No problem.
No, you said some students are waiting. No? We'll do it tomorrow, sir. No
No, no,
problem.
no, 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 no. I said some other students folder.
Oh, you have saved it in other students' folder. That's okay.
Other students folder. The texture is
Okay.
1 second. Raw files.
Now you can tell me. I will do it, sir. 1 second. I'll open my recent text.
Just open your texture folder and just want to see the texture.
Yes.
It's kind of banana leaf. It's a just kind of banana leaf texture is there.
This one, no? This one.
Yes, yes, yes. That one only. Yes, yes,
This
yes.
one. Just
Yes.
apply the texture on that. That's it.
Yes, yes. Just
I will
apply
do that, sir.
texture.
You can just tell me. Okay.
Just take V-Ray material. Okay, okay. You do. I will just guide you. Let's start with the leaf. Then we go for the branches, the trunk. That way we go.
First I'll get the this one.
V-Ray material.
Then I'll bring the image here.
Get all the three images separately. It will not come all together. The reflection value, I think, and the bump, and also that roughness is also
What is
there.
this,
I
sir?
think.
What is this?
Take it,
This
take it.
one?
Maybe roughness or something.
And the branches will take
Take
later.
it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Yes.
I will isolate this.
Yes. V-Ray material. Take.
I have ungrouped. Okay. Now I have the leaves. Now the branches separate.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the V-Ray material. Now
Yes.
I'll take the leaf,
Yes.
the diffuse.
Diffuse. Yes.
Yes. Then I'll apply it on one of the leaves. Now yeah.
Just
So
zoom and see. It's coming proper. You have to do with some UV.
Yes.
It's
Is that
coming.
how?
It's coming proper. It's coming proper. Yes.
Right.
It's coming proper. No problem. Yes, yes. Perfect, perfect.
So,
Now see the other reflection or bump map texture is there.
yes.
Try to do with one only. It's okay.
Ah,
We just create
Now-
the texture now.
Okay. Now there is no reflection. I have to give 50% of reflection.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes.
And this is about 0.8.
0.8. Yes. Perfect. And try
Okay.
to add reflection map. I think there is reflection map.
Reflection map is there.
The black and white one. The above one. Above one.
Yes, this one.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So this should go into the reflection map now.
Reflection. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Correct, sir. And then anything else, sir?
Try to do that with the bump map. Just see.
This one? This one? Huh?
Actually, it should be black and white only.
So this should be in bump. This should be reflection.
Ha. Yes, yes. But black and white is used for reflection also and for bump map also.
And we can copy the same same, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Copy
What
the
to
same
do?
black
We'll
and
copy
white.
the same and
Apply on the
No.
bump map
Yes.
even. Just drag
copy
and
the
drop.
same.
Above bump map is little above. Yes. Yes.
And we'll check the bump value.
It will not be proper visible unless you get displacement. I have tried. I don't know why.
So 30 is there. We'll leave it as of now.
Increase. Yeah, increase. You can take it to 90, 95.
Okay.
It's not coming up properly. I don't know why V-Ray bump value is not coming properly. Because if you do this with Corona, now you will get such a nice effect.
Okay. Now I'll check here, sir. There's no difference, sir.
Nothing. If you render also now, it's not noticeable. All I can say, it is not noticeable at all. Unless you go for displacement, you will get very nice effect, but bump or V-ray I had tried, it's not noticeable.
Okay.
Anyway, just do, it's okay, no, not a
Leave
big
it as
deal.
of now.
Leave
And
it as
at the
of
time of
now.
rendering, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, and the time rendering we'll see. That's
Okay.
all. That's all for
That's all
plants.
for the lamps.
Yeah, that's all
Now
for
for
the
the
plant.
stem again, I have to take a different material.
Yes, yes. Take a different V-ray material, same thing. Apply.
I think, sir, reflection and bump we have to separate this one.
Yeah, try the brighter one. Maybe go to reflection.
Oh yes.
Take the brighter one, brighter leaf to reflection.
Yes. Yeah, this is correct now. And
Yes, yes.
again, I have to add for the stem. Now stem. Thing it's not come. So stem. I will try that, sir. Stem. I have to take this and apply for the stem now. That's
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine, understood, sir.
Okay, then
Now,
yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
the reflection is 50%, as you said. Taken about reflection.
Yes, yes.
50%.
Same thing, same thing. Apply same thing. But it should
And
not, should not be same all over, because I try to use a map, maybe a
okay.
masking over there.
Okay.
Over there, because it's naturally it's not same everywhere. It should be somewhere it's more reflective, somewhere it's less reflective.
Okay.
So try to get try to achieve those results. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine. Okay.